Hey guys, it's Michael. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're making almond milk from scratch, and it's super easy to do. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start off by putting 1 cup of almonds in this measuring cup. That's about 1 cup. I'm just gonna pour it in this Tupperware and fill it with water. And now I'm just gonna sit this Tupperware container in the refrigerator for 6 to 8 hours and let the almonds soak in the water. Okay, about 7 hours have passed now, and here are the almonds just soaking in the water. If I can get the top off. I'm just gonna drain the almonds. And for every 1 cup of almonds, you do 4 cups of water. So I initially had 1 cup of almonds, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in the blender. And now I just need to get 4 cups of water. Here go 2 cups right here. I'm gonna add that in there. Here's the last 2 cups of water. And some people add salt or vanilla extract to the water and almonds just to give a little flavor. I'm just gonna add salt because vanilla extract probably wouldn't be keto. So I'm just gonna do this. And now I just need to blend it. The almonds and water and salt are all blended now, and here I have this nut bag, and I'm going to use this to squeeze out the excess almond residue and to only have the liquid only for the milk. I'll just pour it in this bag over the bowl so it can catch all of the residue. I'm just going to do a little bit at a time. Just squeeze it out. I have a funnel here and the bottle that the milk is going to be in. I'm just going to use this funnel and the bottle and pour in all of the milk into the bottle to have the almond milk. There's your fresh raw almond